So I have made something which you all guys wanted. I have made the integration of n8n plus WhatsApp in the visual format now. So earlier about used to do chatting, but we don't know what the heck the bot was doing the chatting. We require some platform where we can see the messages what our bot is sending, or either we can use a third-party tool out there. It could be ASNC, Vati, Interkati. There are multiple tools out there. The main problem is they are too costly, and also your data goes into their system, and you do not have any control over that. The system which I have made today, that will live in your particular server. Okay, you have full control of your data and no monthly charges or nothing out there. And also I have made a detailed documentation of everything how it could be done. If you're non-developer also, just follow the steps and everything will work perfectly fine. So let me give you a quick demo of how it works. So as you can see on my screen currently, it is the dashboard which I have created. In the future, the campaign, context, AI agent and multiple things will come out there. And also you can give me a feedback over here, what all new feature you want in the future, and I will take them into the priority and make it for you. So consider this, I am the developer which will be making the system for you. Okay, and that system will live in on your server. So let me give you a quick demo. So as you can see, first let me go to the WhatsApp web. Okay, and let me send the hello. And as soon as we send the hello over here, our bot will get that particular message. And as you can see with the badge that the hello message has been sent over here. Okay, and all these things are real time, so nothing is like a polling or nothing is going on over here where we need to send it. Everything is real time over here. Okay, let me show you one more interesting thing over here. Let me also send hello, and we can see like a WhatsApp, it is sending the message, it got the message, then double two tick means it delivered the message over there, and it got the blue tick over here, it means it is seen. Now you would be asking why it got the blue tick, because you just changed the tab and then you saw it, because it is open into my phone out there. Let me close my phone. Okay, and let me come into the system and let me send the message again. Let me send hello again, and it is going the message, it sent, and now it got delivered over here, but there is no blue tick because we have not seen the message. Now if I go to the WhatsApp, now I saw the message, if I come back, it has turned into the blue tick. So everything is happening in the real time. Okay, it's a production grade system with a mobile responsiveness. So if I make it small, as you can see, it is small over there. So everything works like a real WhatsApp. So you can see all the contact list over here. If you open any contact, you can see all the chat which has been done. And all chat does not get loaded at one time. So it has the kind of a reloading like how WhatsApp does. It loads the earlier message. Okay, so it has a full capability and with the proper message sync. So as you can see, there is a proper message formatting as well over here. Okay, so there are multiple things packed into the one video over here. And inside the dashboard, it has the setup checklist as well. And these all things should turn into blue in order to run this particular application. And to make it blue, I have made a detailed documentation out there. So as you can see, this is the documentation where I have told how to run each and every steps. It is a very simple thing. So I have written extensively. That's the reason it might look big, but it's a very simple steps to follow. If you're not able to follow it, I am there. I will come into the call and help you out to set up this particular project. The only thing I require from you is this feedback, because this feedback will help me to understand, are you liking this project or not? If you're not liking it, what are the things you're not liking it? If you're liking it, what are the things you're liking it? And what are the new features you want into your system out there? So the link is in the description box. You can go and download it from there. Okay, if you need any kind of a help, also there is an email ID in the description box. You can mail me over there. I will help you out. And make sure of one thing, the early adopter gets much more advantage than the people who will buy it later, because it is going to have multiple features out there. In the futures, I have planned, this is the V1 version, the V2 version, V3 version, V4 version. We are going to make it much more advanced. I hope you understood this project, because it took me more than a month to make this particular part, because multiple things are involved. There is the front end, there is the back end, there is a database involved over here. Front end is in React, back end is in n8n, and the database is in the Supabase. Everything is a production grade system over here. So I hope you like the video. Let me know what do you think about this project in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.